Hello internet, I'm just a YouTuber. In today's video I'm showing you how to sync up your RGB light strips to your PC audio. I think this is actually recently new to the Philippe series of smart lights. It's a software that you can download onto your computer, and it has different modes. So scenes, for example, have preset scenes that glow up. And you know what, I'll actually show you what the desk looks like. Go through. These are all presets that they have already installed, and then you can, I think, adjust or add some. I'm not really sure what these do. These add different effects. But so then this is Vaporwave, Disturbia, Tyrell, Mantito, and Hail. I go back and forth from Blue Planet to Vaporwave. But if I'm watching a movie, you can actually set these up to work with the PC audio. So, to give you an example, we are gonna put this guy on the other monitor real quick and launch Chrome. Basically, what you do is launch this program, go into video, and you can set it to moderate, high, or intensity, or subtle. And that just basically tells the program how subtle or how intense you want the lens to change during the video. So you click Start Sync, and the lights, as you can tell, will start syncing to the video. You'll see them interacting with you. But they basically go on the color of the video. So I'm not sure what the radius is on how it's taking color in. And then obviously if you're down, it goes basically on scene. So you see how these just change color to like a turquoise color and going back and forth. And that's basically what that does. If you're looking at the music aspect, of course, I'll show you what that does.
Without a plan, girl, we'll never go back. Girl, you know that you were so bad. Let's just spend a couple grand, girl. You know you're fucking with the man, girl. Yeah. Oh, you could have been a good girl, but instead you chose a real world. Yeah, you've always been a savage.
And then gaming, enable this will also use the audio determinant. So this uses video and audio while you're gaming. If you guys want me to show you how that looks, I can do that in another video, but I'm not going to do that right now because then slobs will have issues with it because my computer's poopy. But that's basically how you synchronize the PC audio and video to the lights. You need this program, sign into your account, and then you can switch between video and audio that easy. And to stop even synchronizing them, you just go down here and stop syncing, and they'll go back to normal. So then you can set it back up to another color that you would want. If you guys have any questions, of course, don't be afraid to drop a comment. Hit me up on Discord for the Discord server I made for you guys. Drop a help ticket in. Or if you guys need immediate assistance, hit me up on one of my social media pages, of course. And like I said, I hope this video helps. If you guys got any questions, please don't hesitate. And I'll see you guys in the next video.